You like it, mommy? You like it? It's beautiful, isn't it, mommy? It's beautiful. Our beautiful neighborhood. Beautiful neighborhood. You like it, don't you? Oh, you like it, mommy? You like being outside? Look, Yeyibak Junior. Nature. Outside. It's nature. You like nature? Yes? It's lovely, isn't it, mommy? Outside, in nature, fresh air. Vince and Eddie love Adalee Rose. We love her so much that we can't be away from her. And every time I go away, I become sad again. I don't want to be sad, I just want to be happy. Is that too much to ask? I hope it's not too much to ask. Yeah, because Vince and Eddie love Adalee Rose. Yeah, Vince and Eddie love Adalee Rose. The things we do are very lovely. We both love to go out. We love being outside to enjoy the sun out there to be sunny. And we don't like it when it's rainy because we can't go out to play. We enjoy going out to play. It's the best activity. I can't wait for you to grow, to play all the time and enjoy the outside and fresh air. I really can't wait for us to play some ball outside in the grass. It'll be our bestest memories. I really can't wait for that to arrive. You will see that you'll have the best time bonding with your father. My wife and I love Adalee Rose, Adalee Rose, Adalee Rose, Adalee Rose.